Hi guys, I'm Sean. This is Alyssa.
Gus is in our hearts, and this is Internet Rabbit Hole Daily.
And today's episode is brought to you by
Manreet Kaur.
Thank you, Manreet Kaur.
Request from one of our donators.
Yeah, she donated some money to us, guys. She wanted us to check this out, and for some strange reason, it bumped the queue, and now we're reacting to it.
So this is called Amit Trivedi Sound of the Nation performance at Royal Stag Mirchi Music
Yeah, and look at that. It's got over 4 million views, so clearly something's going right here.
Posted by S Solution.
All right. So I don't know who Amit is.
No, we've never seen him.
This is all going to be new to us.
But it's good because we haven't reacted to hardly any live performances. Maybe just only a couple.
Yep. We did the Coke one, the Coke Studio one.
Yeah. And we're recording on here, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Wow, listen to that voice work. Wow.
It's all a cappella.
That's awesome. Oh, Kashmir.
Sound of Kashmir.
Wow. Voctronica.
Yeah, that's so... Literally, there's no instruments right now at all.
That's crazy. Oh, now I can hear a bit of something.
Yeah. I like his suit. Was this like a Christmassy, like a winter time
Could have
thing?
been, yeah.
Well, it's like wintry.
Wow, it sounds so cool with the headphones.
Yeah.
कागज के दो पंख लेके उड़ा चला जाए रे जहां नहीं जाना था.
The sound quality is so good.
Yeah.
उम्र का ये ताना बाना समझ न पाए रे जुबा पे जो मोह माया नमक लगाए रे के देखे न भाले न जाने न दाए रे दिशहारा.
Wow, everyone just works so well together.
Oh, I don't know if he was actually playing that thing though. Because he it might be a prop. Because he's not really playing it.
It's like
it's that guy playing it.
What a melody, eh? Or medley.
Royal Stag Mirchi.
Oh, Sounds of the Nation. So it's from all over India, I think.
Oh, okay.
Wow.
What is that instrument? He switched instruments.
Wow. Just everything syncs up so well, you know?
So I haven't seen that other instruments, like a mix between a violin and a bouzouki or something. There's that right there.
I don't know what they're saying, but it's making me happy.
बावड़े में जागी धोकनी चंद में थारी चांदनी दामन में बांधी खुशी रे झुम 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 झुम
Wow.
Whoa. Skills.
Oh, wow.
She's so cute. What? How's he's sitting with like his feet?
It's like a mandolin?
Yeah.
Wow.
नवराई माझी लाडाची ग आवडतीला चंद्राची ग नवराई माझी लाडाची ग आवडतीला चंद्राची ग नवराई माझी नवसाची ग अप्सरा जशी इंद्राची ग
I wonder if she's well known.
Yeah.
People,
Like a famous singer. Whoa, that was cool.
Whoa!
It's like modern and traditional mixed together.
Yeah. Whoa.
How do people do
Remix.
that? Yeah, how do people do that?
हे शुभारंभ मंगल बेलाई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई
Oh, whoa.
शहनाई
Whoa.
What, is that someone's voice?
Yeah, I think so.
शुभारंभ मंगल बेलाई सपनों की डहरी
Like a trumpety sound? I've
Yeah.
seen people sort of do that. There's no way.
I don't know.
Oh, that girl and the guy together, sort of.
Unreal.
आशा के मोती सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है अपना बोझ मिल के साथ हमको ढोना है शहनाई रस रचिलियो साथ सजिलियो शुभ घड़ी छे आवी अच्छा टमटमाता शमणावो छे
Yeah, tingles there.
critical condition
Critical condition, did she say?
Oh.
Oh, South India?
Face to face dharti putram top to base kama sutram
Ooh, I think she said Kama Sutra.
mandaram saisam mataram thinkam wonderam jumping pumping
Making drums, right?
thumping
Drum solo.
Ah, this dude. I've noticed him just hanging out in the background there.
Just waiting for his turn.
I was gonna say from Punjab.
अंग्रेजी पढ़ दी गिट पिट तू कर दी जिਵੇਂ queen ਸਾਡੀ ਵਿਕਟੋਰੀਆ ਤੂੰ ਘੰਟੀ ਬਿਗ ਬੈਨ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਝੁਮਕਦਾ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਨੱਚੇ ਭੈਣ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਝੁਮਕਦਾ ਤੂੰ ਘੰਟੀ ਬਿਗ ਬੈਨ ਦੀ ਪੂਰਾ ਲੰਡਨ ਝੁਮਕਦਾ ਉਹ ਜਦੋਂ ਨੱਚੇ ਭੈਣ ਦੀ
Oh, there's two drummers.
Oh,
That was cool.
oh, I saw he had something.
What is that?
Whoa.
It's like two like piccolos at the same time.
God.
It's just like perfection.
Yeah, I know. Oh! Punjab. Whoa!
That was insane.
I
I
know.
would like to thank Mirchi Awards for giving me this opportunity. हर कंपोजर का एक ड्रीम होता है. मेरा भी एक ड्रीम था कि मैं अपने देश
Thanking the composer, no doubt.
songs को लेके कुछ करूं. और मुझे आज इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे ये मौका मिला कि मैं अपने देश के म्यूजिक को एक साथ इकट्ठे बाइंड करके एक ही स्टेज पे लाऊं. And it wouldn't have been possible without these amazing artists on
No
stage.
kidding.
This is the sound of our nation.
Tremendous.
Hope you guys have liked it, and this is what makes me love my zindagi. So on that note,
Oh, the one final song? Or?
जो दिल से लगे उसे कह दो हाय 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 हाय
And like everyone seems so happy and joyful.
Yeah.
उसे कह दो बाय 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 आने दो दिल में आ जाने दो
Wonder if bye bye brother brother.
हाय 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 जाने दो दिल से चले जाने दो कह दो घबराहट को बाय 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 लव यू जिंदगी
Man, oh man.
love you जिंदगी love you जिंदगी
Imagine this one's all about unity.
Like together.
Oh!
Confetti!
Now that's got to be an actual
Yeah,
instrument.
where is it?
Where is this?
Where is it? I want to see. Like a trumpet. Oh.
Wow.
Woo, that was impressive.
Yeah, geez. You know, because you're better at than I am, but both you and I have played instruments on stage before, and I always got, you know, a little nervous, and it's just like when you've got a crowd that big and you've got a group that's that synced up, it's like you can't make one tiny little mistake. I was looking at those guys that are hitting the drum and the guy hitting the instrument. I'm like, God, if he's just like sort of a millisecond off, it throws
just
everything out of whack.
Even the singers there, because it was a cappella. I'm like,
Yeah.
if one person's like out of key.
I know,
or
no, or
something,
just sort of gets a frog in their throat, they're like, for half a second. It's like, oh,
cough attack.
oh my goodness.
Whoa.
I don't know if I've ever seen, and I'm not just blowing smoke up at anyone's ass here, I'm not sure I've ever seen a live performance with this many artists, with this many different genres of music sync together this well and be such a sort of perfect performance. It's
Yeah.
like it couldn't have gotten any better than that.
It was just so crisp. Like whoever did, I guess, the sound for it. Because when they're singing, the mics like.
God, well, think of all the different microphones they must have
I don't
had
know,
for that.
I don't know if they just like compressed it really well or something like that too, because the mic, like when I'm recording stuff and if I move like a bit over, you can sort of tell and stuff. So
Yeah.
it
Yeah,
just
there was no-
so
yeah.
crisp, and the sound levels were like perfect.
So
and
major
stuff.
prop to like the sound engineer,
engineer,
the
yeah.
mixer. There was
Yeah.
so much. It was a culmination
really good.
of thousands of hours of hard work and expertise. Even though the performance itself was only 10 minutes, that's thousands of
And
hours
it
worth
was
of work
just
leading to
so-
something like that.
So flawlessly, sort of like it just looked so. They were
Wow.
just having so much fun. It didn't look strenuous. They just like it's just so impressive. Yeah.
And you know what? We wouldn't have probably checked this one out
Found
if
this.
it wasn't for.
Manrate Core.
And the fact
also
that she donated.
Yes.
You know, sometimes
To
when we get a
support the
donation,
channel.
sometimes we, check that stuff out first. Not saying anything, but it always helps, guys. We appreciate it a whole lot. We appreciate being introduced to stuff like this. Getting a wider sense of what India is all about. I know we spent a lot of time in the Punjab. We're just sort of working our way out naturally. There's so much more to discover. And if you guys wanted to discover it with us, well, then we're going to ask you to click that subscribe button. Click the little bell icon. Choose all from the drop-down menu so you can be updated every time we upload a new video.
If you enjoyed this video, please let us know by clicking the thumbs up button and leaving your thoughts in the comments down below. As well, keep sending in recommends to the email irhsubtitles@gmail.com, as well as the subreddit.
That's right. If you guys want to join the IRH family, we do have a subreddit. You can go to reddit.com/r/internet rabbit hole. You can sign up. You can make some memes. You can post some stuff. We love seeing it all. And if you really want to help us out,
Like we just said,
we've got ways to donate. Right down there, guys. It really helps a lot. It helps us to keep making this sort of content for you. We enjoy it a whole lot, but there's that whole nasty, money situation where it does take time and money to do stuff. So we appreciate it a whole lot. This is Internet Rabbit Hole Daily.
IRH signing off. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye, guys.